Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Niro plug-in hybrid. First, understand that charging is straightforward, much like plugging in a phone. Your Niro PHEV can be charged using two primary methods, Level 1 and Level 2. We'll explore both, so you can choose the best option for your daily needs and driving habits. It's all about convenience and keeping your vehicle ready to go. Level 1 charging is the easiest way to power up your Kia Niro PHEV, as it uses a standard 120-volt household outlet. Simply plug in the charging cable that came with your car. While it's the slowest option, taking about 10 to 11 hours for a full charge, it's perfect for overnight charging at home. This ensures your battery is topped off and ready for your commute each morning, without needing any special equipment. For significantly faster charging, Level 2 is your go-to. This method uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to what large appliances use, and can fully charge your Kia Niro PHEV in less than 3 hours. Many owners choose to install a Level 2 charger at home for maximum convenience. You'll also find numerous public Level 2 charging stations available, making it easy to get a quick boost while you're out and about. To maximize your Kia Niro PHEV battery life, aim to charge it to about 80% for everyday driving, reserving full charges for longer trips. Always ensure your vehicle is in park and turned off before connecting or disconnecting the charging cable. This simple step helps prevent damage and ensures a safe charging process. For more details on the robot vacuum and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. Happy driving and enjoy the efficiency of your Kia Niro plug-in hybrid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.